Hello and welcome to the iCanFit website. This short tutorial will introduce you to the features of the website so that you can start setting and tracking your physical activity goals right away. This is the home page. Here, you can access all sections of the iCanFit website. Potential participants can also use this page to see if they are eligible to participate in our program by filling out this short survey here. First, we'll explore the different pages of the iCanFit website. Under the About tab, you can see brief biographies of our iCanFit team. Also under the About tab, you can view the sponsors and partners of the iCanFit program. The Get Involved tab provides a link to our eligibility survey here, as well as our contact information here. Under the Tools tab, you'll find our locator. This tool will help you find opportunities for physical activity based on your zip code. This is how it works. First, click Search Location. You'll enter your zip code in this box here and hit Enter. Then, you'll click Resource Types and select a type of physical activity here that is interesting to you, such as outdoor ball sports. The map will populate with all the different locations for that type of physical activity. If you are interested in one, simply click the icon, where you can see the name of the location, its phone number, address, and website if it has one. You can also view driving directions. Next, under Tools, the Tips page has some great information about living a healthy lifestyle as a cancer survivor. These will update regularly, so be sure to check back often for new content. The Resources page has links and descriptions you may find helpful. There are wellness programs, reports and fact sheets, and recent research about cancer survivorship. The Community page has a link to our Facebook page. Be sure to visit and like our page, and you can connect with other iCanFit users just like you. The Contact tab allows unregistered users to inquire about our program. They can fill out this form. We also have our contact information here, as well as a link to our Facebook page. Now, we'll go over how to use the site for goal setting and tracking. But first, you'll need to create an account. Click the Login tab, and then click on Sign Up for a free account. You'll be prompted to enter a few pieces of information. When you are done, just check the box here and click Sign Up. You will be sent an email to activate your account. Once you have done that, you'll see this page, and you'll want to set a new 3-month goal. A 3-month goal is to inspire you to improve your health over the next 3 months. Your short-term goals that you'll set later will help you get closer to meeting your long-term goals in small steps. Type your 3-month goal into the text box, and then click Update 3-month goal. So my goal is that I want to walk 30 minutes without stopping. And I'll click Add Goal. This is the goal setting dashboard. From here you can set goals, track them, and view your progress. So let's start with setting a short-term goal since we've already set that long-term goal. Click the Set Goals icon. From here, you can set multiple goals for the week. This is helpful if you do a variety of activities. Use the drop-down boxes to choose an activity. So I'll choose aerobics, the frequency of that activity, and the number of total minutes you plan on doing that activity this week. Like I said, you can set goals for multiple types of activities. Choose the frequency, and then the duration. Then you'll click Add Goal. When you want to update your progress towards your goals, you use the Track Goals feature here. You'll see a summary of your progress so far this week. If you have exercised and want to log that activity, you click Update Progress for this goal. You will use the calendar to enter your activity for each day that you exercised. Click the day that you exercised, enter the number of minutes for each activity, and then click Add Activities. You will see that your progress has changed to reflect the entry that you just made. If you prefer to log on to the site each day that you exercise, you can also click this, Exercise Today, and enter your minutes for that activity. Now we'll look at the View Progress function. Here, you can visualize your progress based on METs, number of minutes, and number of days exercised. Let's look at METs first. METs, explained briefly here, are basically just a way to compare different forms of exercise which require varying levels of intensity to one another. Your number of METs will represent your total energy expenditure for all of your types of exercise. So here on the left, we see two bars. The green bar represents my goal, and the blue bar represents my actual physical activity. The graph on the right represents the percentage of my goal that I met, so about 17%. Next, I can look at my progress based on number of minutes. Again, the left graph compares my goal versus my actual activity, and the right graph shows my percentage towards that goal. Finally, under days exercised, I can see the number of days that I plan to exercise this week, represented by a filled-in blue box. The actual number of days I exercised is represented by a yellow star. You can also click here on bars to see the information presented similarly to the way that METs and minutes are represented. There you have it. We've gone over the basic functions of the iCanFit website. You can set new goals every week and track them using the features I just showed you here. Don't forget to take advantage of the locator tool if you need some new scenery during your physical activity, found here. Also, the resources page can help you if you want some great information about living a healthy lifestyle. If you have any questions, please email us at icanfit.tamhsc.edu. A link to our email is here. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy using iCanFit.